Hi, I'm Niels Mastrick with EP Minerals, and I'm here to show you how to save some water with your swim pool. In this time of extreme drought, it's important for all of us to look for ways to save water around the home, and this big body of water in our backyard is no exception. Lately, we've heard a lot about DE filters wasting water, and it's simply not true. I can show you a real quick technique that'll save you up to 10,000 gallons of water a year simply by stopping backwashing. Backwashing is not a necessary step, it's a convenience. And let me show you how to clean the filter without backwashing. It's simple and effective. Now I'm going to show you how easy it is to clean your filter and not backwash and save a bunch of water. First, isolate your filter. Connect the bottom drain, open it up, open up the vent, and let the filter housing drain of all the water. This is the only water we're going to waste cleaning this filter. Okay, now we're ready to take it apart. The filter's already been drained of all the water, no pressure, clamps are off, and now we'll just take the lid off, exposing the grids. This shot shows you the DE filter, the DE on the grids, and we're just getting ready to clean it off. After you disconnect the union, just simply lift straight out. Okay, I'm just finishing up cleaning up these grids. This is a good time to inspect your grids for any damage or any breaks. My grids look good to go, so let's put this back in the filter and get the pool going. Okay, now we've got the grid assembly back in the pool room. We're just going to set this in the housing. Make sure you line it up properly with the U-joint. Cinch it up. We'll put the lid back on, the clamps, open up the valves, and get this filter back going again. So that's it. By manually cleaning your filter instead of backwashing, you'll get all the benefits of a DE filter and save a ton of water. Thanks for watching. If you want to learn more, look us up at epminerals.com. Thank you.